Hey, I am Dani, and today I will show how create a repository in GitHub using SSH. So, to do this, we will need to create a local repository first, and to create it local, we will need to have installed the Git, and I will put this URL in description. We can install it by this URL, and I already have installed it. I will use this folder to create my repository, and when we have the Git installed, we will appear this option Git bash here in this option when we click with right button. So we open this, and to start to create the repository, we can use the command mkdir and the file name. This will create the folder to project. For this, we can go to the folder, cd my project, and we can start the Git using git init. So if I listed the files in this folder, we can say that this is env, but show if I run ls la, we can see that we have the contents of the hidden directory using, and here is our Git folder, and with Git status we can see that we are in branch master, and we don't have commits yet, and so we already have done the step 1. 2. Create an SSH. To do this, I will run SSH gen to generate the key, and I need to put some things like and file to save this key. I will call my key project, and we need to enter a passphrase. I don't say, but you can create any phrase, and you will need to write again. When I run this, this file is created here, and the TK are inside this file. So I copy this name, and I will run a cat to show to me what have inside this folder, and inside is our key. So I copy this key, and in the next step we configure GitHub with SS public key. And so go to GitHub, and in settings, we go in SS and GPG keys. I will delete this just to you can see how is when we don't have any SS keys, and we can click in add a new key, and I will put my first SSK like a title, and add a SSK. So worked will appear so, and in the next step we create a GitHub repository. So to do this, we go in our profile and the repositories, and will appear the button new to create a new repository. So I will call this my project to it's the same name of the folder, and here we can put a description here. Some description is using as a. So I don't will add git readme or git ignore yet. I will put public and create. So I already created, and the next step we will connect this. We will do the push. So to use the SSH, we will click here, and this will change to SSK, and we will use these commands to check if this worked. We can use git remote minus v, and now we can see that are connecting,